Okay, it was just this way again. It's like a broken record. It's like Groundhog Day. More of the same again tomorrow morning, the fog we're talking about. Warm, humid air is already in place ahead of a very strong storm system. Air mass is just the same, no changes, so get ready to leave a little earlier tomorrow and just be extra cautious. You know what to do. It's going to be old hat for you, so to speak. Speaking of old hat, I think of Fog Hat, the group, right? There you go. Donna Worthy, Buffalo Simon tonight, saying everything looking pretty good right now, but it's going to start to cloud up and see some of those low clouds, which will be fog. Rain is already starting to show up in the Mississippi Delta, but this is nothing severe. Severe weather has been up and around areas around the central portions of the plains earlier today, now drifting over Nebraska, where there's snow in the back edge of this low, and it's going to start to increase in intensity as it starts to roll through on Friday afternoon. Let's go 6:30 Eastern, 5:30 Central Time, right along Interstate 85. If you just draw a line from Montgomery all the way up right through here to Atlanta, cutting across the news reviewing area would put you in here in Chambers and Troup counties. Chambers County right now under a flash flood watch. So that means we're watching for the potential of local flooding here, because this is going to be one repeated shower or thunderstorm over the same area, and it is going to saturate the ground. So they'll get the first areas of seeing that. It appears to let up, but then returns around 8-7 Central over the same areas in the morning on Saturday. So this is considering portions of the news reviewing area, so we're weather aware starting here. These could be actual physical thunderstorms with some strong winds, or even along the line, consistent wind gusts, and that could continue all the way through the afternoon. Our models now are showing how it's coming in earlier rather than later. So if it does come in earlier like this at 2 o'clock 1 Central, we could see this whole system out of here by 4 or 5 o'clock on Saturday, and that's it. And the rest of the weekend looks good, but we're cooling down. Wait till you see the Monday forecast. So right now, the lowest level, 1 out of 5 for confidence for coverage of severe storms. We're looking at anything from flash flooding first, then the next threat would be damaging wind, some areas of hail, and we're talking about a very isolated tornado or two. So this is severe weather season, and when we get into the months of December, now we're in January, we end up seeing these storms, and usually in the winter months where we collect a lot of this rain. As Phil said about the rain gauges getting filled, we could see 2+ inches of rain, 3 even, across those areas in a flash flood zone, as I mentioned, starting on Friday night and going into early Saturday morning. So we'll be watching that. We're not expecting severe on Friday, but Saturday weather aware for those strong storms. Anywhere from mid-morning to early afternoon, and we'll be talking about changes likely coming up. We can refine the time as we get more confidence in all the models. Right now they're starting to come together, Phil, and a little bit, should I say, consistent for an earlier arrival. Look at the sub-freezing readings next week. See how we have this 180 forecast. It's January.
We'll finally get to see a little bit of taste of winter next week.